Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pit bull. So we're going to start with his eyes. We have the upside down U and then this part that goes on the bottom. Upside down U. This line that goes on the bottom. Then we're going to draw the inside of the eyes. So we have part of an oval and then part of an oval. You can see our pit bull's kind of looking up at us. And he's just so cute. I know we haven't drawn a lot of him yet, but he's adorable. So then we're going to draw another oval, and then a circle on top, another oval, and then a circle on top. And then when we're done drawing that, we're going to go ahead and color in that second oval here. Go ahead and color that in here. And we're going to do the same thing on both of them. So I'm just going to repeat it. Just going to repeat it here. All right, perfect, beautiful. He has his eyes. Then we can go ahead and draw his eyebrows. So I just go ahead and touch up these eyelids real quick. Totally optional. I'm just adding a little bit of a line there for definition. All right, let's go ahead and draw that nose. It's a rounded triangle. Rounded triangle. A little bit bigger than most of the animals we've drawn on this channel. And then a curved line for the bridge of the nose. Then we have those eyebrows. Curved line. Another curved line. And then we can draw that mouth. So he's smiling pretty wide. The sides of his mouth go all the way out to like the ends of his eyes. He's got like this little tooth sticking out. He's got like a little snaggle tooth. He's super cute. And we're not just gonna leave it like that. We're gonna draw his mouth open. Draw his mouth open. And we'll be able to see his little tongue too. Let's go ahead and draw that little tongue. All right, perfect. So his face is done. Then we just need to draw the rest of his head. So we're gonna draw this curved line on the very top. Then we've got his ears. His ears are floppy. And then don't forget to also draw the inside of the ear as well. And then it's gonna connect down to the side of his head. Add this little line right there for definition, and we're gonna repeat the same thing on this side. So, all right, perfect. That line for definition. We're gonna draw the inside of the ear here, and then for the other side of his head, and we'll draw his little chin. Doesn't he just look so excited? We have his neck. We have his little neck. All right, so our pit bull is gonna be standing up, ready to play. So we have his chest here, and then we can start drawing the arms. So go ahead and draw the same shape, about the same length on both sides, and then we can finish up the paws. Now, his legs are pretty long. They end up going off the edge of the paper, so let me go ahead and move that up so you can see it. Let's see, is that better? All right, I think you guys can see it now. So then we're gonna draw his little toes. 1, 2, 3, and then bring it up. All right, cool. Then we're gonna bring this one down. Again, they're about the same length. And then 1, 2, 3, bring it up. All right, cool. He's got his first 2 legs. Then we'll draw his tummy. Just a line that curves up. Then we can go ahead and draw that hind leg here. So another curved line. comes down. 1, 2, 3 toes. Then it comes up. And then it comes out. Now all we have to do is draw that other leg. So here we go. This one's a little further out in the distance, so it looks a little bit smaller. Alright, cool. Then we just need to draw his back and then his tail. We left a little bit of room for the tail. It's got kind of a tiny little tail. Yep. And that's about it. Then you can color your Pitbull. They come in lots of colors, but I made mine gray and white, and I just think he turned out so adorable. So thanks for following along today, guys. Bye for now.